This is your darling, your sweetheart, your baby, your honey, your boo-boo. Guys, if you want to see how I prepare my chicken fried vegetable, stay tuned, stay connected. Let's cook it together. As you guys see, so delicious with my jasmine rice. And you can eat it with anything you want, just as you like it. So stay tuned, stay connected. Let's do it together. My butter is already melted. So now what we are going to do, we are going to put our chicken. I've seasoned my chicken already. You guys see? We are going to be turning it like this. Let me be turning it for 5 minutes and come back again. So honey, this is after 3 minutes of stirring it, and now this is how it looks. We are going to be allowing it to do again, like try again, like for 3 minutes, or fry, dry frying, dry. So you guys see. We'll be turning it so that it won't get burned. So as you guys see, I'm the kind of person that eats too much of pepper, so I'll not be able to eat this without pepper. So I blended the pepper dry without water or onion, just the pepper. So let's wait for 5 minutes or 3 minutes and come back again. So guys, this is after 3 minutes. As you guys see, what I did was I gave it a mark with my spoon to make sure it's already fried thin. No blood will come out. All the blood has been thin, no water. As you guys see. Now, so guys, now we are going to turn it. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to put a little bit of butter again. My butter has been put. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be putting our onions, mixed paprika pepper, and every bit carrot. We are going to fry it just like we did to our chicken. Okay, just a minute. I'll be turning it like this for 5 minutes and show you guys again. So guys, after 5 minutes of turning and turning, we are here again. See how it looks. So now we are going to be putting our, this is the tomato season. Since we are not going to be putting the paste, this is garlic powder. This is my green season. Here, my white pepper. Here, my powder, paprika powder. You guys see? Now I'm going to be putting my black pepper, little, and this is my garlic paste, and my ginger is almost done. So we are going to be mixing it. So now I'm going to be putting my pepper. And my chicken to mix it all, and then I'll come again. So guys, I just put my barbecue seasoning a little bit. This is how it looks after being mixed. So guys, it's done. As you guys see, can see, it's already done. It's already done. You can eat it with anything you like, rice, bread, and everything you want.